I don't make mashed potatoes anymore, even during the holidays, because I think this cauliflower puree is better in every way. It's lower calorie, easier, and I think tastes better. Let's see if you agree. I'm Michael, and this is cauliflower puree.
The first thing you want to do is get 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of butter melting in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. While that's going, you can peel and thinly slice 1 large onion, around 8 ounces or 225 grams, then peel and thinly slice 4 medium cloves of garlic, or more to taste. Don't worry about cutting precision, we're going to blend the whole thing in the end. Throw in your aromatics and stir occasionally until softened. In the meantime, divide your 2-pound or 925 gram cauliflower into florets. I'm using Romanesco because it's so beautiful, and because my store was out of cauliflower. We want small pieces so they soften quickly. I've made this recipe many times, but I've never used the stem before, so I'm going to toss that in today and tell you how it goes. When your aromatics are just a touch browned, throw in your cauliflower, 1 cup or 238 milliliters of heavy cream, and 1 cup or 238 milliliters of homemade chicken stock. To my utter surprise, I was out of chicken stock, so I used some better than bouillon dissolved in water. Now for my favorite part of any recipe, herb hunting. Today I'm going to use thyme, but rosemary would work really well here. Throw the thyme into the pot and cover, simmering until softened. This should only take around 6 minutes. Then you could uncover and simmer until the liquid is reduced by more than half, depending on the consistency you want. You could even just leave all the liquid in and make a soup instead of a puree. I went from this to this in about 20 minutes. Whenever you're ready, remove the herb sprig and get ready to puree. You can use an immersion blender, but I prefer the results from a regular blender. Carefully pour your ingredients into the cup of the blender, hold down the lid, and slowly increase the speed to max. Taste for seasoning, salt and pepper obviously, but you could also add more thyme leaves or cayenne if you want a kick. So there you have it, easy cauliflower puree. Thanks to Serious Eats for the recipe, there's a link in the description. And if you like this video, you can check out my latest upload by clicking over here. If you have any suggestions for what I should cook in the future, you can leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.